Hi everyone, Sunset Dazzling here with another video. So today we are going to do a day in the life of a 3-month-old reborn doll baby. So it's going to be like a little roleplay type thing. But anyway, let's get on with the video. It's 5 AM right now and he's about to wake up. So let's get him out of his Moses basket. He hasn't fully woken up yet, so I'm just going to change his nappy and then put him back to sleep. It is now 7 AM, so I'm going to wake him up and feed him his bottle. While he's still waking up, I'm going to make his bottle. So I picked out this Winnie the Pooh bottle. This is his favourite bottle. So let me just quickly make it right now. Okay, done. I just made his bottle and it's all done. By the way, I forgot to say, this bottle only lasts for about a day or two. You'll see the next day it will start to go a bit lumpy. All you do is shake the bottle up like this and it should go back to its normal state. So if you want to keep it for more than a day, but I would advise you to clean the bottle out and only use it once a day. So for instance, for this whole video I'm going to be using the same bottle throughout the whole video, but pretend you don't know, but yeah. So you could use it for the whole day, it would last the whole day, and yeah. Don't leave it longer than 2 days in the bottle, then wash it out because it'll start to stink. And you don't want a stinky baby bottle. So anyway, let's get on to feeding him. Okay, now to feed him. So I'm going to take out his dummy. By the way, how I make these dummies, I'm going to do a video on this later. But yeah, I'm going to show you how to make dummies for reborn dolls. And also, in that video, I'm going to show you how to modify normal baby bottles to make them not leak for reborn dolls. So this, it doesn't leak even if I squeeze it. Nothing comes out, and you can see the milk is not coming out of it. So yeah, so let's feed him. He has now finished his bottle, so now I'm going to tuck him in because he was a little tired, so he's going to go to bed. I'm just going to rock him until he goes to sleep. These are his favourite teddy bears, Winnie the Pooh and Tigger and this little grey bunny. It is now 9 o'clock and it's time for him to wake up for today, so I'm going to wake him up now. So now that he's waking up, I'm going to change his nappy or diaper, whatever you want to call it, and I am going to get him dressed for today. So first of all, ignore my messy floor because I'm tidying up and I'm going on holiday in a couple of days, so yeah. And also, this is his box of clothes and all other stuff. This is what I keep under his Moses basket, and it's full of all the reborn stuff I need. So all his clothes, bibs, girl clothes if I wanted to have a girl for a day, bottles and everything, hats, mittens, everything is in this box. So let's pick him an outfit for today. And also it is sunny outside. Sorry, you probably can see my reflection, but yeah, it's sunny outside, so we'll put him in some sunny clothes, summer clothes for today. So yeah, this is all the clothes I have for him. If you want to see an in-detailed video of this little clip, I'm going to leave a link in the description of a video I did a couple months back now of a shopping haul for reborn dolls, and it shows most of these items in here. Some stuff I knitted or got ages ago and stuff like that. But anyway, let's get on to picking the outfit. First of all, we do not need coats, so I'm going to put these back in the box. I'm going to pick a bib. So there's this Winnie the Pooh one, a Piglet one, and this was my baby bib that I actually had when I was a baby. So today I'm going to pick the Winnie the Pooh one. These are the only socks and mittens I have. I'm going to put these white socks and these white mittens aside just in case I need them, but these ones are going back in the box. Now for the hats, I'm going to choose maybe this one or this one. I'm going to keep both of them aside. And now for tonight's sleep suits, I'm probably going to pick this Winnie the Pooh one. I'm also going to put these blue dungarees aside. Now to pick his baby grows, I'm going to take a white one aside, this blue one aside, and this Winnie the Pooh one aside. Now for pacifiers or dummies, whatever you want to call them. I haven't modded these two yet, so these are going to be for the video. But for today, I'm going to pick the yellow one, the grey one, and the white one. And also the light blue one. Now for the nappy / diapers. So I'm going to pick, just for now, 6 of them. So I'm going to pick a monkey one, an elephant one, the honey bear one, this little mouse one, this penguin one, and this little tiger one. So right now I'm going to change his nappy and put him in this outfit. I just got him changed and now it's 11 AM and it's time for me to feed him. Now I'm just going to cuddle him until it's time for me to change his nappy. Now it's time for me to change his nappy. I'm going to change him into this little mouse one. It's 12 o'clock and now I'm going to do tummy time and change his outfit. Now I'm going to do tummy time with him. He's getting really good at tummy time. Now I'm just going to take off these dungarees and cuddle him until it's time for his nap time. Okay, so now it's 1 o'clock. I'm just going to change his nappy into this little nappy, the one with the tiger on it. And then I'm going to put him down for his nap time. Okay, now for his nap time. See you when he wakes up. Okay, now it's 2 o'clock. He had a long nap. And now it's time to wake him up and feed him. I've just fed him and the time is 2:30 and now I'm just going to let him sit in his bouncer while I tidy up the house and wait for his nappy change. The time is 3 PM and I'm about to change his nappy, and then after that I'm just going to give him cuddles and maybe just take him to the park, and that's it. The time is now 4 PM. I've just got back from the park and now I'm just going to let him play with his toys until it's his nap time. The time is now 5 PM and I've just made his bottle and now I'm going to feed him and then put him down for his nap time. The time is now 6 PM and I'm going to do a nappy change and I'm just going to cuddle him. It's now 6:30 and I'm just going to let him play with his toys until it's time for feeding time. Time for feeding time. Now it's time for another tummy time. Now I'm going to change his nappy and then I'm going to put him in his bouncer while I run him a bath. It's 8:30 and I've just got him out of the bath and now I'm just going to get him ready for bed. The time is now 9 PM and now for his last feed. The time is finally 10 PM and now it's time for him to go to sleep, but first I'm going to change his nappy one last time and then I'll put him to bed. Yes, he's finally asleep. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more of my content, please subscribe to my channel. And if you know someone that likes reborn dolls, please share this video to them. All my social media links will be in the description below. And if you like this video, please check out some of my other videos. There'll be a link in the description of some of my other videos. If there's any other video that you want me to do, please suggest it in the comments below. Anyway, that's the end of this video. Bye, Sunset Desmond is out.